in today's video is going to show you basically introduction to PHP. So in this course I'm just going to show you everything you need for getting started for PHP. So if you're new beginner to PHP, so this course is going to take you through every beginner steps for your PHP code. So first of all, let's get started. You need to actually install Xampp. You can see I have Xampp already installed. To actually install that, you can just go to your web browser and you can go to and you can go to Xampp, download, and you can actually go to apachefriends.org. Then you can download it for Windows or Mac OS or whatever OS you're using. It actually does not make any and does make any mistakes. So in this course, I'm just going to show you that I'm not teaching you actually HTML or CSS. I'm just going to take you all through PHP. So before going through this course, you basically need to have some ideas of HTML or CSS. So let's get started. So I actually need to go to my Xampp. So before you get your Xampp downloaded, you just have to start this Xampp. After you install the Xampp and you run the Xampp, so just get it to started. Then you can actually close it if you want, or you can minimize it. So go to my folder. I'm just gonna look for my Xampp. You can see the folder over there. Over to my C drive. So just going over to Xampp and my htdocs folder. Just gonna open the learning and clear everything. Okay, just gonna leave it. So right to my text editor. I'm actually using Sublime Text, so it doesn't matter what text editor you're using. All I need to do right now is just to follow throughout the course. So just gonna enter the htdocs folder and look for my learning. Just gonna open this folder. So I'm just gonna go and create a new file. And I'm gonna save this file learning.php. So you just know that for every file you're just gonna create for PHP, you're just gonna have an extension.php. So you're just gonna save this file. So before you start writing any PHP code, you need to learn how to begin the statement by opening your parentheses and the question mark quotes, then PHP tag. Then just gonna close it with the question mark code and close parentheses, and it just so now we're just gonna print out a little bit hello world in PHP. So just have to just say echo. There are actually two ways of printing out statements in PHP. You can actually use an echo statement, or you can actually use a print statement. Sorry, print. But most people actually use echo because it's most widely used. But echo and print have their two different ways of using each other. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to use both of them. So first of all, I'm just going to show you how to use the echo tag. So you can see it. Just going to click write a function echo. Then let's say hello world. Then just gonna save it. Sorry. And so go to our browser. So just create a new file. So before you want to call a function from your Xampp, so you just say localhost slash, then the name of our folder, which actually learning slash, just going to learning dot php. You're gonna hit enter. Whoa, you can see that It's actually hello world right there, hovering right there, so you can actually see that. Let me just zoom in a little bit further, so you can see it. It's hello world. So just gonna go back to our Xampp photo. So I'm just gonna increase this a little bit. So next I'm just gonna write so I'm just gonna use the print statement such as it. So I'm just gonna say print. So you just see that there's no difference between two of them. So I'm just gonna say print hello world. So let's go back to then reload the page and you see boom, no errors. Everything is running smoothly and well. So just go back to our subline text, which is our text editor. So now you can quickly pause this video and actually take some steps. Actually, try yourself actual echo. So just try echo your own hello world. Sorry. So you can totally try doing this by yourself. So now we're actually going back to variables in PHP. So actually I'm just gonna comment this. I'm just gonna teach you variables. So actually variables actually a way of storing things in a more simpler form. Like, let's say I want to create a variable. So actually creating a variable in PHP actually starts with the dollar sign, then the name of the variable you want to call. So I'm just gonna say let's say Alex, because my name is Alex. So let's say Alex is equals to 5. Or you can say Alex is equals to my name is. Don't forget to close the tag after every opening of the tag. So but now I'm just going to show you basically how to add numbers with the PHP variables. So I'm just going to say 5. So when you're dealing with an integer, this is actually called an integer. So we're going to go there later. So it's actually called an integer. So we're just going to close this tag. Then I'm going to say let's say person is actually equals to 7. So I'm going to say echo. Now, when you're using the echo for a variable, you don't really need to put your quotes, so you can just print it out like that. So if you put quotes, you're just gonna get some errors, and that's up to you. And let's say Alex plus person. So just go back, reload it. So you see 12. So you see it's so easy for you to learn PHP. So just go back and let's say if I want to put a quote in there. So which means I'm actually gonna, you know, get some errors here. Oh wow, it's only the print, but it didn't actually run the function we actually did make it to print for us because it actually echoed the variables as for us, which actually s and person. It actually just print out the two variables from inside here. So let's say now get out to our variables. So through here you can carry out any and many functions you want for variables. You can even say let's say um, x is equals to 17, or let's just say x is equals to my name is. And you can just say give a space here, so it's actually going to use later and actually dealing with this space here. So it's going to say y is equals to Alex. So I'm just gonna paste it out there. Then I'm gonna say this place. I'm just gonna echo out variable x, and you can just give a 2 line spacing there. I'm just gonna give it a dots. So actually, when you're dealing with spacings, like these two columns here with PHP, actually give it a dot to make it specify that you're actually dealing with something in the center here. So just gonna say dot here and Y. So when we save this, load the page, you see, whoa, my name is Alex. So let's say I'm gonna remove this. I'm just gonna remove it with the dot tool. Just gonna save it. This is gonna print my name is. So the two variables are actually going together. So I'm not gonna close them. Now I'm just adding them together in the same echo string. So I controlly decide to make this Y. And let's see. So there's a pop up. So make this Y. Let's see. It's gonna be. So you can actually see Alex. So in this tutorial, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you're a new person here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll meet you in the next video. So in the next video, is going to talk about more on variables. Then we're going to enter operators in PHP and so on and so forth. So meet you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.